Yeah.
Are you hungry or tired?
A little bit.
The snow's pretty deep here. All right, we're close. If I could just make it to the first mine portals tonight, set up my base camp there, that way tomorrow I can leave from there and explore the rest. Toby brought me to where he thinks the mine portals start.
Always heard about him. Never been up this far.
Yeah, it's like a wise tale where these portals are. So tomorrow's goal is going to be to find the mine portals.
Awesome.
Well,
good luck, buddy.
Hey, thank you, Toby. Literally met Toby a few hours ago, and he agreed to take me up here because without him, I would not have found my way this far. So, thank you.
Awesome.
Ride safe back tonight, dude.
You betcha.
You're going to be in the dark for a long time. Whoa! That's sweet. You came prepared. Thank you for showing me where to go.
Absolutely.
Have a safe ride. And just like that, it is only me. Big mountains back here. I'm soaking wet from crashing so many times. So I got to get my tent set up. I got to get a fire going. It's going to be a lot darker and a lot colder in no time. Oh, I can barely feel my hands. Whew. I gotta get a fire going quick. Feels so good to be in the tent with the fire going. It is very cold outside and my clothes are soaking wet. So I'm gonna hang them up to dry overnight. Oh, whew, dry clothes. Oh, wow, that feels good. Whew, I've got warm, dry clothes on. I feel so much better. It's time for dinner. All right, for dinner, it's Hawaiian casseroles. This is going to be delicious. First up, gotta cook the bacon. Bacon's done and the wind is picking up. This is the cheapest hot tent you can buy. It's from Temu. Hopefully this thing stays together in the high wind. Bacon's looking good. Next up, I need to grill this onion. I burned the onions a bit. I had to run outside and tie the tent down. It was gonna blow away. I want my home to stay here and protect me from this storm. Oh man, it might be a really long night in this tent. Time for the final step, the buns. I ruined the onions, so I'm just gonna eat the roll and the bacon together. That is so good. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day of exploring this abandoned gold mine. So the entrance to these portals supposedly is at the top of this mountain somewhere. So hopefully the Rokon is up for the task. Although I'm really far into the mountains, I still need to climb up a lot of elevation. I hope that Rokon's as good as they advertise them. We're gonna find that out tomorrow. I'm exhausted. I gotta get to bed.
Good morning. It is beautiful out. Wow. It's a little too steep for me to climb. I'm gonna go back down. I've got the tent tied there, and one on the back. The wind was howling last night. I was cooking up those onions, the wind picked up, and the tent would have just blown away. My jacket's nice and dry. Huge benefit to hot tents. You can dry your clothes out at night. The fire's going, my sleeping bag's warm. I wouldn't mind just staying in here all day, but I gotta go find these mines. I've got a big breakfast planned, but I just wanna go find these mines. So I'm gonna skip breakfast,